At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comments section below. An acupuncture intake form is an essential tool used by acupuncture clinics and healthcare professionals to efficiently collect vital client information. This form helps streamline the intake process by capturing key details such as contact information, medical history, current symptoms, and treatment goals. By utilizing a well-structured intake form, practitioners can save time, reduce errors, and enhance the overall quality of care. Incorporating a comprehensive acupuncture intake form into your practice ensures that all relevant patient information is gathered up front. This allows practitioners to focus more on delivering personalized and effective treatments, while also improving client satisfaction and minimizing administrative burdens. To help you integrate the acupuncture intake form seamlessly into your workflow, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Download the PDF template. Begin by downloading the template. Click Use Template to access and customize the acupuncture intake form directly within the Carepatron app. For a PDF version, simply click Download. Step 2. Distribute the form to clients. Share the intake form with your clients ahead of their appointment. You may choose to print and hand it out in person or send it electronically. For best results, we recommend having clients complete the form beforehand, so you can review their information in advance and be well prepared for their visit. Step 3. Review client information. Once the completed form is submitted, carefully review the responses. Pay special attention to areas such as pain location, type, and intensity, as well as any medical history including past treatments or surgeries. This helps you assess the client's condition accurately and prepare an appropriate treatment plan. Step 4. Finalize and begin treatment. Before proceeding with treatment, ensure all required sections are complete, including insurance details and consent. Once everything is in order and the form is signed, you're ready to begin the session. A thorough intake process not only streamlines care, but also contributes to more effective, personalized treatment. You can learn more about topics like acupuncture intake form in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.